just cooking with Avi. If you're a beef lover, here I bring to you a unique, mouth-watering, spicy beef recipe. So if you like my videos, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So let's do chili beef Avi's time. Take a pressure cooker and add beef and the rest ingredients. I'm adding half cup of water because the beef is freshly washed and it will release its own water. Combine all the ingredients well and then close the pressure cooker, cook it on high flame and then lower the gas and let it cook for 10 minutes. Beef looks well cooked. In case not, cook it for another 5 minutes. Now you can separate the stalk and keep it aside. Heat a heavy bottom pan, add oil. Once the oil is hot, add finely chopped garlic. Saute the garlic for a minute and add the cooked beef and keep frying it for at least 5 minutes. Now add the soup cube and keep frying the meat. That's why it's important to take a heavy bottom pan so that you can saute the meat well with all the ingredients. At this point, lower the gas flame and add all the sauces and the vinegar. Now here I have used sweet soya sauce. In case it's not available, you can skip it. Here I am adding beef stock, which is almost a cup. Combine it well and cover and cook on medium flame for 5 minutes or till the oil comes up. The beef really smells good. The oil has come up. So now it's time to add the chopped ginger and mix it really well. So here I'm adding the veggies at the end because I like them crunchy. Here are some diced onion, capsicum and whole green chilies. You can also slit the green chilies, which will really make your chili beef nice and spicy. After sauteing the veggies with the meat really well, you could add 2 tablespoons of cornflour in half cup of water and mix it really well and add in your chili beef and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Yum! Chili beef is ready to serve. Believe me, this is such a unique recipe filled with such great flavors. Best served with boiled rice. So if you like my videos, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye.